What do you do when you can record this and nobody else seems to be able to see it? What do you do? Guys, it's another object. I mean, my camera apparently distorts a little bit once you get to far angles, but look at that. That's wide angle. Stays in the same position. I mean, come on. Got to be kidding. That's why the sun looks so crazy when I try to record it. It's reflecting off of that. Unreal. No big deal. Just an object. See, it's staying in the same position. The only thing my phone camera does is distort. But see, it's hidden because the sun rays are so damn bright at certain angles. It's not the moon. Isn't that crazy how that happens? Just like suddenly it changes size and shape. And then whatever it is down there you suddenly can't see anymore. Like you're focusing on something outside the lens or something. See what I mean? Remember that shape. We're going to try and make that. Alright, y'all. You know who it is. Phil James. There's an object up there.